the project today. Basically put a storage shelf in the shed using stuff I already had. Got some hog panel on top. It's about 27 inches by 74 inches. Gives me a little weld zone out here. And for the supports, I had some 3x3s, one left over from this project, and then one I had at the home shop. Loaded those in. They're 24 inches, so I could have a brace. Can't see for the sun's pretty bad that direction, but welded them in. So I had some supports. They're about 21 inches away from the sides and about 21 or 2 inches in the middle. Tried to make them as evenly distributed as I can, but that's it. Came out the way I thought it would. So this is the highest part in the shed, so I'll be able to store not a lot, but a little bit. I'm gonna obviously build more shelves in here, but since I had this entryway, I decided to use it. Obviously I'm gonna put a bridge crane on the rest of this in here at some point, but that's a future endeavor. There it is. More later.